Alright, we're going to come up upon the final update for the past 2 weeks, and this is a bird feeder that has been printed with a mixture of PETG and PLA. As you can see, we're using a sunflower mix and a bottle, a PETG bottle from Costco. And actually this morning we saw a bird using this, so it's actually quite effective. I'm hoping to capture some film for an animal cam in the upcoming weeks, and I'm looking forward to that. But it's a relatively simple build. The only thing to watch out for is, depending on the type of bottle you have, you may need to use some sort of adhesive to adhere the thread to the bottle threading system, and the seed does come out through the bottom. The other thing to consider, maybe as an upgrade, is adding a roof to prevent rain from getting into your bird seed and clogging stuff up. Right now what I have in there is a bit of paper and the end cap there, which isn't doing the best job, but in the future I may change that, but this is just a proof of concept. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on this, what I can do to improve it, and thanks for watching.